to learn English. Stop! Common English mistakes almost everyone makes. I agree. Can you spot the mistake? I agree. For example, I agree with you. Don't say I look forward to see you. Can you spot the mistake? Say this instead. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Never say I enjoy to read books. Say this instead. I enjoy reading books at night. Never say I have 25 years. This is the correct one. I'm 25 years old. I didn't went there is wrong. This is the correct one. I didn't go to school yesterday. How many of these mistakes have you made? Comment below.